They say first love never dies. And with a heavy heart, I'm going to sell my first big bike. So this is the Kawasaki versus 650. Actually, my topic will just revolve around if you should get a sports touring bike as your first big bike. So because this is what happened to me after I had my training course sa manual motorcycle. So I've been riding for a year using automatic transmission. Tapos when I wanted to move up to get to a big bike, nag-training course muna ako na small bike for 3 days. Then ito agad kinuha ko. As you know, kasi si Versys, top heavy siya. So sobrang bigat niya, nasa 470 pounds. So almost 500 pounds siya. Personally, I wouldn't get itong Versys kagad. Or I would get probably a much lighter bike, first big bike to begin with. As you can see over there, ito yung ginagamit ko kasi for my daily na pang-commute. This is the Kawasaki Z400. So this bike, I have very, very much fun riding it kasi ang gaan niya. Kailangan siguro sobrang patient mo kung ginagamit mo to for your daily and sa pang-commute kasi mas mahirap isingit kasi mas malaki siya. Tapos mainit, ang bigat. So the reason na ibebenta ko is because hindi na masyadong wala nung time na mag-ride. So, sayang, hindi ko rin nagagamit. I had fun naman with this bike. Pero, again, kung ang topic natin is kukunin mo to as a beginner, as your first big bike, I wouldn't recommend. Although, kaya naman if you want, kung ipupush through mo. Kasi, mataas siya. I'm 5'8". Tapos yung insim ko, around 28 or something. So, ang nangyari is, bumili pa ako ng boots na may plus 1 inch kasi hindi ko siya pinalower eh. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Try ko umaaw. So, sobrang nakatiptoe ako. 'Di ba? Mataas siya masyado. Tapos, kapag nag-rides kayo and may mapupunta kayo sa alanganin na lugar, you would definitely need yung height advantage na makakaapak ka. Magaan naman siya once it takes off. Tapos, you have to maintain proper technique. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-panic, especially sa slow speed, tapos magta-turn ka. Dito siya magiging alanganin kasi dun mo maramdaman yung bigat. So, coming to a stop, kailangan laging nakapantay yung handlebars natin. Tapos, laging rear brake to stop, yung final stop natin. So, I guess this is my outro for Versys 650. Sa next bike ko, I will update you guys. Pero, ito for sale na to, papunta na yung buyer natin. So, thank you guys for watching.